Good morning, students. As you know, we have been studying chapter of civics, that is chapter 4, laws and democracy. Much more we have discussed in the last videos. It was rule of law. I just repeat the same. After that we shall start the new video. As we have studied rule of law, when India became independent, leaders who drafted the constitution wanted to ensure that there would be no arbitrary laws in the country. All the people in independent India would be equal before the law and would be subjected to equal laws. So they incorporated the constitution, the idea of rule of law. Means the framer of the constitution always kept keen eyes to draft the laws, and they wanted that there should be surety in the constitution and the laws, that there should not be any arbitrary laws in the country. Means different types of laws should not be there. Laws should be there equal for all. As all the people in independent India are equal before the law. So, the framer of the constitution, the idea of rule of law, the laws of the land, all together consolidated to secure and ensure the security and liberty of all the people. Rule of law seeks to create equality in the society. मतलब जो कानून का शासन है उसमें समाज के सभी लोग एक हैं, इक्वल हैं, और वहाँ इक्वलिटी भी चाहिए. The parliament passes new laws as well as revises existing ones in order to meet the evolving needs of the society based on the rule of law. That's why the framers of the constitution mention all such types of things. A representative system of the government was initiated in the country. The parliament is such a body which passes new laws and revises the existing laws made earlier by the others. Time to time, the laws of the land are revised and necessary amendment or changes take place. Also, the new laws are framed or prepared by the constitution, prepared by the parliament to mention in the constitution. This is the poster of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. When Rowlatt Act was imposed over the Indian people, people came out from their home, including old, young, children, women, infants, all such types of people of Punjab, Amritsar, they came out of their home to protest, to show their discontentment against the British law. They gathered together in a park, that is Jallianwala Park in Amritsar, and they were assassinated by the British troops. Well, they were innocent people. In peaceful method, they were gathered together to protest against the British, but in between, an army officer of British Army, General Dyer, entered with his troops in the bar, and there was only one gate in the park to enter and exit. That was shut down. More than 2,000 people were gathered together. They could not run away. They could not exit from the park, and the British forces, on order of General Dyer, started firing. As a result, a number of hundreds of people were killed and thousands were injured in this massacre. It created anger and discontentment among the Indians. As a result, our freedom struggle spread massively in the country. Many leaders from other society, other parties showed their discontentment and aggression through protest, जेल भरो आंदोलन, हड़ताल, चक्का जाम. Many activities took place. Now let us see the making of new laws. How does Parliament makes new laws? Legislature means Parliament is the supreme body of the country to make laws for the country. The changing nature of the society raised the need for new laws. It is important that a government is sensitive to the needs of the people with the changing socio-economic scenario and adopt new laws and modifies the existing ones. Since every citizen of the country is bound by the same law, the government has to be extra cautious while framing laws. A particular law might be beneficial for one group or people, but it might be against the interest of some other groups of people. In such a situation, the government had to modify certain provisions of law, that it does not lead to unnecessary tension in a community. Means the laws should be equal for all the people of the society. There should not be any arbitrary laws, separate laws for the separate society. It is also the matter to keep keen eyes over the laws which is made for the welfare of the people, that there should not be any violation of the fundamental rights of the people. laws and public opinion? What is laws and public opinion? Often, different groups in society raise the need for a particular law. They campaign through the media such as television and newspaper to generate public opinion, the opinion of the people. In a democracy, the government is formed by the representatives of the people. So it is important that they take into account the opinion of the people. If they are convinced that a new law is necessary for the benefit of the society, the process of framing laws gets started. Public opinion and the media play a significant role in the framing of new laws. The strength of a democracy lies in respecting the opinion of the people. No doubt, in democracy, the government is formed by the representatives, and representatives are elected by the people of the country. So, in this condition, there should not be any different or special treatment by the laws which is made for the people. Otherwise, tension and discrimination will emerge in the society. Special laws should be made for those groups of the society who really do not enjoy their rights in the country. Their fundamental rights are violated. The policies of the government are constantly affected by people's opinion. Public opinion controls and checks the government from becoming irresponsible. This is the duty of the people to check the act of the government time to time and make them aware through their protest and means simple activities like campaign, signature campaigning, hartal, chakka jam. These are some ways to protest against the government. The government is also conscious about not going against the wishes of the people while framing laws, because the same people might not vote them back to power in the next elections. Government is always conscious that if it will not work for the welfare of the people in the next election, they will just remove us from the government. That's all. Next thing we shall discuss in next video with new chapter. Till then, thank you. Do your task properly.